If you want to set up app time limit on iPhone 17, then first of all we need to go to settings. We're gonna scroll down in settings and then choose screen time. You should have the app and website activity enabled, so make sure to do that if it's not on. And then over here we can go to app limits, and you should be able to press add limit over here. And you can either go for categories, so you can for example set a time limit for all games and all social apps and so on and so forth. Or you can also tap on these categories in order to reveal apps that belong into that category. And then you can choose specific apps only. So let's say we're gonna set up for all social apps, and then we can of course press next in the upper right corner. You can set up the time, so let's say I'm gonna set it to 3 hours. And in addition to that, we can customize the days, so you can choose specific amount of hours for specific days of the week. And then we can go ahead and press this check over here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.